Use questioning as a method to learn. English tenses. Part 3 of 10. Question number 1. What tense do you use for actions that started and finished at a specific time in the past? Answer: simple past tense. Examples: I watched a movie yesterday. She visited her aunt last weekend. They played basketball 2 hours ago. He finished his homework last night. We ate dinner at 7 p.m. Question number 2. If you want to talk about a series of completed actions in the past, what tense is best? Answer: simple past tense. Examples: I woke up, ate breakfast, and went to work. She opened the door, walked in, and sat down. He read the book, wrote a report, and submitted it. They packed their bags, drove to the airport, and caught their flight. We arrived, checked in, and found our room. Question number 3. What tense describes past habits or routines that no longer happen? Answer: simple past tense, often with used to for emphasis. Examples: I lived in London for 5 years. She played the piano when she was a child. They visited us every summer. He worked as a waiter before this job. We went to that cafe often. Question number 4. When you talk about historical events or specific dates in the past, what tense do you use? Answer: simple past tense. Examples: the Titanic sank in 1912. World War II ended in 1945. Columbus discovered America in 1492. The Berlin Wall fell in 1989. Neil Armstrong walked on the moon in 1969. Question number 5. How do you describe a single completed action that happened a moment ago? Answer: simple past tense. Examples: the phone rang a moment ago. She left a minute ago. He just ate lunch. I saw him a few seconds ago. The bus arrived a moment ago. Question number 6. What tense describes past states or facts that are no longer true? Answer: simple past tense. Examples: she was shy when she was young. He had a red car. They were good friends. I lived in a small apartment. The weather was cold yesterday. Question number 7. When a story is being told about past events, what is the main tense used for the sequence of actions? Answer: simple past tense. Examples: the hero fought the dragon and saved the princess. She woke up, got dressed, and left for work. He opened the box and found a treasure map. They ran to the car and drove away. The sun rose, the birds sang, and a new day began. Question number 8. If you are talking about something that happened last night, what tense do you need? Answer: simple past tense. Examples: I slept well last night. She called me last night. They watched a movie last night. He cooked dinner last night. We went out last night. Question number 9. What tense indicates an action completed this morning, if this morning is already finished? Answer: simple past tense. Examples: I ate breakfast this morning. She read the newspaper this morning. He went for a walk this morning. They finished their meeting this morning. We cleaned the house this morning. Question number 10. When describing an action that happened on a specific day of the week s in the past, what tense is used? Answer: simple past tense. Examples: we had a party on Saturday. She studied for her test on Tuesday. They visited the museum on Friday. He played golf on Wednesday. I went shopping on Monday. Like, comment and subscribe.